Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am gonna be telling you how you can start hacking with your smartphone. So let's get started. To start hacking with a smartphone you need to download an app from Play Store, which is Termux. Termux is a Linux-based emulator for Android which lets you run frameworks from Linux. Frameworks are pre-developed tools, which are ready to use. You do not need to learn any programming languages to use these tools. After installing Termux, open it. You will see a terminal similar to one in Kali Linux. At first you have to install some important packages like Python, Python 2 and Git. These packages are very important because they are necessary to run your tools in Termux. So see how to install them. Now I will tell you some basic commands of Termux. The first one is ls. ls is a command to get list of items in a particular folder. Here in our case, our home directory is empty since we have not installed any tool. The next command is cd. cd command is used to go inside a directory. Here we have no directory. So let's make a directory using mkdir command and name it technofuge. So now we have made the directory. Let's check it out by typing ls. So now we have to enter in this directory. To enter, type cd and name of the folder. So now we have entered in technofuge directory. To go to the home directory, type cd, now we are again in home directory. Now to clear the screen, type clear. So these were some basic commands in Termux. I am going to continue this Termux series on my channel, so make sure you have subscribed and turned on the notifications. So guys, this was all for today's video. Thank you.